Hello viewers, myself MGD Tamim. In this tutorial, I gonna show you how to convert text layer to shape layer and use gradient in text layer in Adobe Illustrator. So let's begin the video. Firstly, you have to create a text, then go to gradient option. If you do not find the option, simply go on the window and search gradient. Here is the option. Simply click on this. This option is open. Simply click on the gradient slider. You can clearly see the text color is changed white to black, but the gradient is not used in the text layer. But don't worry, I showing you the right way to use gradient. So simply go to the object and select expand and make sure the check mark on the box. Click OK. Now the text layer is converted to shape layer. Now if you go on the gradient option and select gradient slider, you can see the gradient is used in the text layer. If you want to change the color of the text layer, simply double click on the color choosing option and select one of the color from there. And if you want to change the other side color, simply double click on the other color choosing option and select one of the option like that. Finally, here is the result. You can create gradient in text layer in Adobe Illustrator very easily by following this process. Thank you for watching the video.